Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to teach you how you can draw a human heart. First of all, you have to draw a straight line probably of 8 centimeter. Now you have to divide the line in two halves of 4 centimeter each. Extend the line to 4 centimeter to the right. Now extend this line to 6 centimeter to the bottom. Extend this line upward to 4 to 5 centimeter. Now extend the bottom line to the left. You can use a pointer or a marker, but I am using a pointer in the start. Now you have to follow this line, which I am following right now, and you have to draw the superior vena cava. By dragging the line downward, you have to make it like a L shape. Now you have to draw the inferior vena cava according to the thickness of the superior vena cava. The point where you stopped drawing the superior vena cava is the point where you have to start drawing the pulmonary artery. Draw the line upwards and then a L shape but in the opposite direction. Shape it like an artery and then bring it downwards. It's time to give the shape. From the center of the pulmonary artery, draw a curve which joins the middle line drawn by the pencil. Now make a curve from the superior vena cava to the rightmost bottom line in the downward direction, maintaining the shape of the heart. Now the outer structure of the heart is complete. Give the minute details in the pulmonary artery. And now we have to draw the ventricles. For the right ventricle, draw a curve from the superior vena cava and join it to the pulmonary artery. So you have to draw the same curve to the middle line and then follow the shape of the right ventricle, making a curve again, joining it to the pulmonary artery. Drawing such diagrams, you just have to maintain the outer shape. Draw the pulmonary vein, just like the pulmonary artery. And give it a duck shape now. The most important part is the aorta. One duct should be to the left, one to the right, and one should be in the middle. And then join the aorta to the pulmonary artery and to the pulmonary vein. Here is the extension of the arteries on the left side. Make sure the thickness remains the same. Now we have to draw the minute details, dividing the ventricle and the atriums, making the tricuspid and the bicuspid walls. The most important thing about this diagram has to be the labelings, as well as the maintenance of the shape of the heart. Most of the students find difficulty in maintaining its shape. So by following this method, you can easily draw a heart in no time. All you need to do is practice it 2 to 3 times. And now is the time for the labeling of the heart. After the labeling, your diagram is complete. I hope you would find it easy to draw the diagram now. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel and like the video.